So our pool builder recommended SUNDEK to solve the 3 issues that we were having with our old pool's deck, which was the fact that it was hot to walk on, and it was slippery when it was wet, and it stained whenever you spilled food or drink. And the SUNDEK product solved all of those problems for us.
One of our pool contractors brought us in to install a standard overlay at one of the pools that they were building. We were asked to install our SUNDEK Classic texture. So we actually did aggregate effects as well with it that gives it the multicolored look. On top of that, we actually had a Texas Star that was multicolored as well. The pool decking came out great. Really hit our mark there. I think both parties were very happy. So that being said, Rick even contacted us directly to have additional work done. We came out on site to take a look at the additional areas and really start to see what his vision was for it, so we can see what kind of textures would best suit that, color schemes, patterns, and that's really where the design wheel started turning. So after the pool decking, the next thing was the patio, which we did our SunStamp with a water-based stain and clear sealer. We actually did a scored pattern as well, and it's one of an upgraded finish comparative to the pool deck, and one of my favorites personally. With the driveway, we added a little bit of a design flair to it as well, adding complementary colors, as well as even a diamond scored pattern.
In the middle of the summer here, this was the hottest summer on record in our area, we were able to walk on the decking, and it wasn't hot to walk on. I mean, it was warm but not hot. It's not slippery because of the texture, and if you spill something, it wipes right up. We were so happy with the product that we ended up doing our patio deck as well in the SunStamp product. A little different, but very nice. And then a few months later, we had our entire 7,000 square foot driveway done with the SUNDEK product, and couldn't be happier with that. So we would highly recommend SUNDEK to anybody.
One thing I loved about this project was the fact that both homeowners here had a fantastic idea when it came to design. So they had a very good vision. So that being said, it was rather easy when it came to showing them designs and showing them from our book what we can do and going over options with them and then making that into an actual reality.